4 screws on this puppy. Look at that massive piece in it. So it looks like you got a screw here, screw here, screw here. I don't really know why we've got these screws. Doors, identical. I don't get what this bit's for. Like, why? I think it's been riveted on. There we go. It was, yeah, but it's coming off now, but it was riveted. So, if you do it. Look at this beast. $6.5 grams, 7 gram. Similar button setup to the XM10. I like the button setup, I like the red. I like the coating on this mouse, it's like a gloss coating. We've got 4 screws in the PCB. There's a weird bit of a trace around the back of the PCB, but bit of a poor design there, to be fair. Again, if you're trying to make a lightweight mouse, then I don't get what that is. Maybe to help weight, maybe? Bit weird. Weird. Oh, not bad actually, 33 grams. Take out this piece. RGB diffuser. There's about 1 gram. It's definitely their own one. I've not seen this one before or anything. It's got a nice scroll wheel, to be fair. It's got quite a big ring. This bit is just weird. And these need to come off. These proper switches. Nicely using Hawano all over. TTC encoder, 11mm. Looks like a 0.8 PCB or 0.9. You've got the RGB light in the back. It's quite a long PCB. Look. Don't finger Vino S.